Well, the pandemic is still ongoing, and we're going to talk about COVID today. Other health issues don't take a back seat.
September is National Falls Prevention Month, and Dr. Zorba Paster is going to be holding a live virtual chat on this topic next week. Doctor joins us from his clinic in Oregon with more on. We'll be taking your calls and questions coming up. But you do this every year, this seminar. Only Leaves Should Fall is the title of it, right?
Oh, that's right. And we normally do it live. Obviously, we're not doing it live because of COVID. But we think about every year about falling and falls because we're coming into that winter time, coming into the time when people really should think about falling. And falling is a major problem, especially with senior citizens. And when I think about my practice over 4 decades, I've got 7 people who have died from falls, all over the age of 65. And accidents are a big issue. Falls are a big issue. Anything that you can do to prevent them really makes a difference. And this seminar highlights some very important points: how to stay healthy, how to make your body healthy, how to make sure you don't fall, how to light up your house, and so on. And I really think anyone who really wants to prevent falling should join it.
And I think everybody knows somebody who has fallen at some point.
You're looking at one.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I broke my wrist last year. Yeah, no, seriously, it's a serious issue. And I remember you always said take throw rugs and small rugs away out. And that was really good advice. I told my parents about that because that increases your susceptibility to falling.
That makes a big difference. Making sure you've got lights around the house, making sure that you've got lights in the bathroom when you get up and you go to the bathroom, grab bars in the shower. Not that difficult to install. All those things really make a difference and really are very important to everyone. Everyone, no matter what their age, but especially senior citizens.
So it's this Tuesday at 11 o'clock on Facebook?
That's right, 11 o'clock on Facebook. Anyone can join. All you have to do is go to Facebook. You've heard of Facebook. Go to Facebook, and then you can join.
And what's the Facebook page?
The Facebook, I think it should be prompted on your screen. I think if you do Only Leaves Should Fall, you'll find it on Facebook. It should connect to that.
Do a search for that.
We'll try to get it on Channel 3000 too.
All right, let's move on to COVID. And depression is becoming a major issue for people.
Right, and especially with winter coming on, seasonal affective disorder. So I think anyone who finds they really feel like they're even having more problems because of COVID. If you have seasonal affective disorder, in other words, the nights get longer, the days get shorter. Think about an SAD light. You can buy them on the web for now, $35 to $40. They really make a difference. 20 minutes in the morning can really help your depression. Antidepressants are also extremely useful. Lots of people, when it comes wintertime, really find that for about 6 months they need to be on them. And don't forget to talk to other people that you're connected with. It's social relationships. If you know somebody who is alone in a house, call them up, talk to them, be there for them. That can really help because COVID makes all of us, just kind of a little bit difficult when we're staying at home.
Yeah, I think it's going to be especially bad this year, I'm afraid.
Very much so.
All right, we're going to take your calls now at 270-9933. If you have a question for Dr. Zorba, pick up the phone and call 270-9933. We'll get to your calls right after this.